Hey guys, okay, so before we start this video, I want to shout out my Etsy shop, LA Craft Luck shop. Here is some digital items I have. They're printable wall art, so you can print them and buy them off my page, and then you can print them at any store or at home and put in a frame, a cheap frame, and put it on your wall. These are just some arts that I've created that I'm showing you guys right now. I literally just started it, so I really love the support, and if you guys go check it out and let me know, what you guys think about it, and if you guys want me to do more art, I will be doing more art whenever I can and posting more. But yes, this is a printable wall art page, so you guys know it's a digital download. If you guys have any questions about it, just comment down below. Thank you. Also, I want to shout out me and my partner's channel that we made together. We have like 6 videos out. We did challenges, we went to go see this beautiful garden, and we did a picnic and stuff like that. So I'm just scrolling through and showing you guys little clips. This is a little clip of the garden we went to go see, and this is us on the picnic together. So yeah, if you guys can go check those out, support, like, comment, and subscribe. Really appreciate that. And yeah, we did a lot of challenges as well too. This one was like the funniest, but yeah, go check it out. Thank you. And right here, I'm just picking up the room, just picking up a few things and just tightening it up.
Beats on the track. Beats on the track.
And I am finished with the tub, and this is how it is looking so far. And then I'm gonna show you guys the sink next. Yes, and then I also got this body scrub, which I love, and I'm gonna be showing you guys and talking more about it in the video later. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Hey guys, so basically in the video today was just me picking up and cleaning. 33 weeks pregnant, and this was a lot. This took a lot out of me. Trying to get up, trying to get more active and stuff like that. I'm a little bit in the bathroom. So yeah, that's all you guys are gonna see in this video today. Just a little vlog of me cleaning, I guess. So yeah, I hope you guys really liked it. So I decided to hop in the shower and pamper myself, basically. And yeah, I'm just recording my girl Kitty. She just knocked right there, so
Thai beats. Kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around,
So this is a body scrub. I'm going to be showing you guys the texture and how it goes on my skin. So yeah, we're going to continue back with the video. So I'm finally out of the shower, and I was doing something cozy, did my hair and everything like that. Didn't do nothing too serious with it, but just braided it and put it in a ponytail. So yeah. Hey guys, I'm done with my shower and just did my hair. Simple. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like this. If you like more videos like this, let me know. See you guys next video.